Ticketmaster's payment system can reject your credit card for several different reasons. Understanding these common causes can help you avoid frustrating checkout failures when trying to purchase tickets. The most common reason for payment rejection is incorrect card details. This includes entering the wrong CVV security code, an expired date, or mistyping your card number. Another frequent cause of rejection is when your billing address doesn't match what your bank has on file. Even small differences like abbreviations or apartment numbers can trigger a decline. Technical problems with your browser can also cause payment failures. Outdated cache data, disabled JavaScript, or ad blockers can interfere with Ticketmaster's payment processing system. Ticketmaster has implemented stricter security measures, including enhanced fraud detection and mandatory 3D secure authentication. While these protect against fraud, they can sometimes flag legitimate transactions as suspicious. Finally, account-related issues can trigger security locks. Multiple failed payment attempts, duplicate account detection, or previous chargebacks can cause the system to temporarily block your transactions as a precautionary measure. Understanding these common rejection reasons helps explain why your payment might fail. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions to resolve these issues and successfully complete your ticket purchase. When your credit card gets rejected on Ticketmaster, don't panic. There are systematic steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly and successfully complete your purchase. Start with the most common fixes that resolve 70 to 80% of payment issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, disable any ad blockers, and try using incognito mode or a completely different browser. Double-check all your card information for accuracy. Even small mistakes, like an incorrect zip code or mismatched billing address, can cause your payment to be rejected. Make sure your card hasn't expired and the CVV code is entered correctly. If your card still doesn't work, try alternative payment methods. PayPal often has higher success rates, and digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay can bypass traditional card processing issues. For international users, prepaid cards sometimes work better than foreign credit cards. If all else fails, contact Ticketmaster customer service. While it takes longer, customer service has an 85% success rate for resolving payment issues and can sometimes process payments manually. Try to avoid peak traffic hours between 10 a.m. and noon for better results. Understanding the scale helps put payment issues in perspective. Ticketmaster processes over 500 million transactions annually, so even small error rates affect many users. Current success rates are 87% overall, with desktop payments slightly more reliable than mobile. Most payment issues can be resolved within 12 minutes using these troubleshooting steps.